In front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching settings and hitting display and brightness. Then scroll down a tiny bit to access font and click on one of those styles to apply a perfect one. When you're ready, hit apply at the bottom to save your changes. If you want to try something more interesting, go back to the same settings and select more on the right. Then tap on any of those fonts. Hit apply at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!